Just arrived at Whitefish, Montana. And I just woke up. It's 7:13. Coffee. I was quite amused with the baggage claim. You could see a John Deere tractor driving on the platform with your bags, and they would take it and put it at a specific location where you could collect your checked bags from. It's quite different from what I see at airports, so it was a novelty item for me. The Rockies can be seen on board the Empire Builder between Whitefish, Montana and East Glacier Park, Montana. The train also makes quick stops at smaller stations like West Glacier and Essex. I was seated on the left hand side of the train, so I got a good view of this section of the Rockies when the train was traversing between these two stations. Before reaching the East Glacier Park Amtrak station, the Empire Builder crosses the Continental Divide at Marias Pass, which is somewhere around here. And I am going to zoom in a bit, and you can see it right here. Finally got food in the cafe car. I'm stuffing up on multiple breakfast items because I have been starving. After crossing the Continental Divide, the Empire Builder leaves the Glacier National Park and enters the northern plains of eastern Montana. Let me zoom out a bit. Eastern Montana and North Dakota as it heads towards Chicago. Slow travel by train has its own appeal, allows me time and space to appreciate the views passing by, just like this one. It's day 2. I just woke up. It's 5:54 a.m. and the sun is just rising. More more lounge car views. This was my favorite place in the whole train. I spent more than half of my time here. Finally arrived at Chicago Union Station after that 46-hour journey. I am staying at a hostel, Hostels International, which is about half a mile from the station. And my train to Buffalo is tomorrow night at around 9:30 p.m. So I have half a day or maybe one day to explore the city. Trying to find the hostel, which is about 0.9 miles and not half a mile as I had originally thought. Not a big problem, but I have this huge backpack, which is heavy. The other advantage of wearing a mask is that I can say anything in the voiceover and I won't have to worry about syncing it with lip movements in the video. So my area is 507 1D. And the one on top. Okay, first order of business, get a shower. Haven't showered in 3 days. Get a shower, freshen up, and then edit the video, maybe post it if I can, and then head out into the city, just have dinner and just roam around. I've been to Chicago before, so it's not completely unfamiliar, but it's been a long time.